Welcome back to Take Apart Engineering. My name is Valen, and I will be your host for this week's video. Today, our project is to make a ring for the pommel on our lightsaber project. It can also be used for a flashlight or for a key ring or other projects you might have. Remember, when using tools, to always follow safety rules and wear the proper safety PPE. Now, let's get started. For this project, there are several tools that you're going to need to gather. You're going to need a drill. A battery-operated drill like this one, or an electric drill. Either will work fine. An 1/8-inch drill bit, a set of adjustable pliers, channel locks, side cuts, a paper bag, and a 3/4-inch dowel. And a coat hanger. I prefer to use a coat hanger that has the protective coating on it, but any coat hanger will work for this process. First thing we want to do is take our drill. This is our bag we use for later. We want to take our dowel and put an 1/8-inch hole halfway through or down, not all the way through our dowel, and set our drill aside. Then we want to take our coat hanger and our side cuts, and we want to cut off the loop at the bottom of that coat hanger. We won't need that. Take your coat hanger, put it in your 1/8-inch hole, and you want to wrap your coat hanger around your dowel. Then you want to trim off the excess of your coat hanger. Set aside the excess coat hanger. Now, if you notice, you can't pull that out of the dowel. So what you're going to need to do is take your side cuts and trim off the end piece that you put into the dowel. That small piece, just make sure it doesn't shoot across the room, gets discarded, and now our loops will come off our dowel. Set our dowel aside, and as you can see, we have multiple turns, and we really only need one turn for one ring. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here where the end of this loop is, and we're going to cut on this second loop. But to do that, I don't know whether you've ever cut a piece of wire before. If you do that, something's going to go shooting across the room. So this is why we have an old Amazon bag. It could be a paper bag, any kind of bag will work. Put it inside the bag, trim it, and if anything pops off, it stays inside the bag. Then set the bag aside. You can see we have our loop, but it's not straight. So we want to take our channel locks and our adjustable pliers and bend the wire back to where they meet. This may take you a little bit of patience. Now they meet there, but they don't meet there. So I want to do the same thing. I want to take channel locks and my adjustable pliers. I want to bend that down. It may take you a few minutes of adjusting, and there's our loop. Still needs a little bit of adjustment. Like I said, you're going to have to be patient. Sometimes they'll come out just right first time. Sometimes you have to tweak each one. There we go. And there is our hilt ring for our pommel on our lightsaber. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful and informative, please subscribe, like, and hype. Your support of the Take Apart Engineering channel is very much appreciated. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. If you would like to suggest a STEM topic for us to cover, please leave a comment below. Remember to check out our other STEM video lessons and projects. Again, thanks for supporting us.